Cephable, and today we're going to talk about what we call control profiles. Profiles are simply a summary of the different input and output controls that you've customized to communicate with your computer. By the end of this video, my goal is for you to know how to get new control profiles and also feel comfortable editing, deleting, and sharing profiles. So let's take a look together. So in your account, you may have a single control profile, or you can have lots of them like me. If we look into one profile, you might see that inside one profile you only have a couple of commands, or you could have a profile that has a lot of different commands inside, such as this one with PowerPoint. It's up to you. They can be as simple or complex as you wish. The option's yours. So there are several ways that you can build your library of control profiles. One of my favorite ways is when my friends share them with me. They can email them to me, sometimes they text them to me, or another place you can go is into any of our community pages. So this is our Discord community. We have an area called Control Profiles where people share direct links to the profiles that they've created and used. I recently shared 2 profiles for Photoshop that people have downloaded here. And I also saw that somebody else created one for Hogwarts Legacy. My boys have been loving that. So I can simply click that link, open it in Cephable, preview this profile and see it has some good stuff. So I'm going to add that to my account and I'm going to hit save and finish. And now Hogwarts Legacy is now located in my account. It's that easy. Another way that you can get new profiles is to simply, you can either hit the plus button or you can hit create a control profile here and it opens up our AI generator. You can simply type the name of an app that you would like a profile for. Let's say QuickBooks, for example. Tell it what kind of input controls you would like. Hit generate controls and it will create controls for you on the spot, usually in about less than a minute. Or a third way is you can start from scratch. So let's do one quick example. Let's hit create new. I would like to create a profile for YouTube. I'm going to say YouTube Play. And I'm going to add a control. I'm going to add a voice control. And every time I say play, I would like for Cephable to press a key or a button. And I would like that key or button to be the space bar. As you know in YouTube, whenever you hit the space bar, it plays your video that you have selected. Let's hit finish. So we have our new profile, YouTube Play. When you say play, Cephable will press the space bar. But actually, I'd like to edit and add one more thing. As you know, when you hit the space bar, let's add another voice control. When you hit the space bar in YouTube, it also pauses your video. So let's add that as a voice control as well for the space bar. We're gonna finish that edit. So now you can see whenever we say play or we say pause, Cephable will hit the space bar. Let's save and finish. We're gonna find that profile here in the drop down and there you have it. We've created our very first profile from scratch. And if you're really excited, you can click in there and you can share that profile with a friend who would also want to play and pause with their voice on YouTube. Create a share link and you can simply send that to one of your friends. One more thing I'd love to point out. If you realize, I think I'm done with that profile, you can simply also delete that profile as well and it will be removed from your list. So there you have it. We have looked at control profiles in lots of different ways. I hope you have a wonderful time creating them, sharing them. So join us on our community channels, and we look forward to seeing you.